We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M475 printer, and we're going to show you how to print a supply status page. Now, the reason printing a supply status page is important is it helps manage your printer much closer and helps you keep a closer eye on everything, so you're not waiting for the last second when the printer is telling you that something needs to be replaced. You can kind of have an idea of when that's going to happen, because there's nothing worse than all of a sudden you need to replace something, you don't have it available, and you either have to run to the store or try to expedite an order in order to get it down or get it to you as fast as possible, so you have as little downtime as possible. So printing the supply status page will help eliminate that as best as you can, and it's a very simple thing to do. So what you want to do is make sure your printer is turned on and in its regular ready state. Once it's all turned on and it's on its regular screen, then what you're going to want to do is in the very top right corner, there's a little icon with a triangle made up of dots. You're going to go ahead and click on that little icon. Now that's going to bring up a visual representation of how much toner is in each one of your toner cartridges. And if that's enough for you, then that's fine. You can go ahead and hit the OK button here at the bottom right. That'll take you back to the home screen and you're good to go. But if you'd like some more information, there's a report tab here on the bottom left. Go ahead and click on the report tab, and that's going to print our supply status page. So it'll give this a second to print, and you'll see there's a lot of useful information on here. Let's just give it 1 second. Okay, so we have our supply status page. Now you can see there's 4 different columns. Each column has an approximate supply status for each toner cartridge. So it tells us approximately the percentage of each cartridge that's remaining. Now if you look down here in the information below that, it also tells you approximately how many pages have been printed with this toner cartridge and approximately how many pages are remaining to be printed with that toner cartridge. So again, it gives you a much better idea of where you are in your toner life. These visual representations here are the printer's best estimate of where your toner cartridge is, but they're not 100% exact. Sometimes looking at these numbers in here help give you a much better idea as far as exactly where your toner cartridge is and its lifespan, and have a better idea of when it's going to need to be replaced. Like I said, that way you can have that backup toner available so you don't have to worry about running out and having some downtime while you're waiting for a new toner cartridge. So again, it has it listed for all 4 toner cartridges. Very simple, very easy to do, and there's a lot of useful information. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.